Hey everyone, Brendin from Brinkley RV here, and I am super excited to show you guys this all new feature that we've implemented in the Model Z, which is the ability to dump your gray tanks from the OneControl app. Guys, this is something you've asked us about for a long time. We've listened, we've answered. You now have the ability to dump your gray tanks from your OneControl app itself. So once you paired your phone to your unit, which I have already done, under the monitor panel, you'll see a little spot that says gray valve. So that's gonna be your switch to dump your gray. So depending on floor plan, you might have 1 or 2 gray valves. So if you do have one with multiple gray tank termination points, you'll have 2 switches. It'll say gray 1 or gray 2. On this particular floor plan, we just have 1. So if I were to press open, it's gonna pop up. Are you sure you wanna open your gray tank? Yes, I wanna do that. You can hear the tank open. And then you can also close it from here. One thing I wanna note, if you open it from the outside at your gray switch, you have to close it from here. So this would be the master switch of all. If you open it from the app, you can still come and close it out here. But if you open it from the switch, you need to close it from the switch. So we're super excited about this. If your shower's filling up, your sink's overflowing, you don't wanna go outside, it's freezing cold, you do have the ability to now dump your gray valves from sitting inside the comfort of your own coach.